Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix screen flickering on Android. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're having problems with your Android device here and the screen itself is flickering, there are a few things that you could do here. But first you need to understand what the problem or the cause of that problem itself. Now, we have the thing called hardware issues and software issues. Now, hardware issues stems from your phone being actually broken. Like, for example, you've thrown your phone somewhere, or you've, like, for example, your phone actually was dipped in the water. So, if for some reason, or if just let your phone fall all the time. Now, in this case, a hardware issue here will not be solvable. So you need to have this fixed by a professional and basically have it replaced or have the parts replaced itself. So again, you won't be able to do much with a hardware issue. Now, if you have like a software issue, well, in this case, there is a few things that you can still do here to hopefully salvage your phone. So first is you want to restart your phone. Now, restarting your phone can actually solve a lot of software issues. So in this case, just hold and press the power button, and basically you want to go ahead and restart your phone. Now, in some cases, you might want to hold the power button and the volume up buttons to restart your phone here, and just basically either power off or reboot. Now, once you reboot it, see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, what you need to do is you need to go to your settings and you want to go to about phone. Now, from here, if you do see any update on your phone, make sure to install those updates. Now, in this case, another thing that you want to do here is you want to adjust your display settings. So you want to go to search setting here, just type in display and basically search for it, and you want to look for the option that says display and brightness. Now, there's a setting here that called auto brightness, and what you need to do is you need to disable this because sometimes this will actually malfunction, and in this case will start flickering your Android screen here, which in this case you don't want to do that, and you want to go ahead and disable auto brightness. Now, in this case, you might want to disable a few things here, like for example, disable sunlight mode. You might want to switch over to dark mode or light mode here and vice versa and see if those works. Now, sometimes some settings here would actually malfunction, so that's why it's recommended to update your software or Android device here as soon as you can. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.